What's up? I'm Mark and welcome to Epicconfections. If you are new here, smash that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that bell notification for new epic Halloween videos right up until Halloween. A lot of you are asking where can you watch The Big Bake on the Food Network. Just a reminder, our episode airs Monday, October 28th at 10 p.m. on Food Network Canada. However, if you don't get Food Network Canada, or if you're in the States or somewhere else, you can always go to the Food Network Canada website, and they do have videos of the actual episodes on the website. I will link in the description below. So just a reminder, keep your eyes peeled for me on the Food Network. Today I'm going to be making a 3-tier red wedding cake fit for any skeletons. Let's do it! Yo! So today I'm going to be working with dummy cakes, just because this is actually going to be a display cake for the bakery I work at, Mariposa Market. So I have two 10-inch rounds, two 8-inch rounds, and two 6-inch rounds. Let's get started. Okay, so to start, I have a 12-inch round cake board on the bottom, and I have my 10-inch round dummy cake. No, I'm not going to take the stickers off, just to bug you guys. I have a huge batch of red icing. It is plain white American buttercream. I put so much red food dye in here and let it sit overnight, and I got a beautiful, nice, deep red color. Yappers! I also have a container of really hot water and my cheater bag. To start, I'm just going to put a little bit of buttercream on the bottom of the cake board so that it doesn't move around. Then we're going to stick him right on there. Make sure it's right in the middle. We're going to put a little bit of buttercream in the middle of this tier as well. When you're building a dummy cake, it literally is the exact same thing as making a regular cake, only it's not edible. You can't eat it. Well, you could, but that might be a trip to the hospital. So I just filled my cheater bag with that red icing, and I'm just going to start icing my cake all the way around. I'm just smoothing it out on the top as best as I can, and then I'm going to work my way on the side of the cake. Yes! So I'm just gonna clean up all that excess water on my board, and I'm gonna stick them into the freezer for about 20 minutes while I work on my other tier. Next we're gonna work on our second tier, which are these two 8-inch round dummy cakes. So just taking a little bit of buttercream, sticking that in the middle there, pushing down nice and firm so it doesn't move around. And just sticking a little bit of buttercream right on my turntable so that the cake doesn't slide around when I'm icing it. So Tigra's decided to join me, so if you see her walking around, just pay no attention. Again, just filled up my cheater bag with my red buttercream. And I'm gonna go ahead and start icing the entire cake. Jeez, it looks like a freaking murder scene here, but anyway, I'm gonna clean this up and I'm gonna stick this guy into the fridge and we're gonna stack it up. Let's do it! Just gonna take my hot spatula and just kind of fix up the sides a little bit. And I'm not entirely happy with my edges, so I'm gonna fix those up as well. Yes! Whew, she's hot in this little studio kitchen of mine. Whew, hotter than a whore in hell. Woo, girl. All right, I'm gonna stick this whole structure into the fridge while we work on the third tier, the 6-inch cake. So for this last tier, I'm gonna put these 2 dummy cakes on a 6-inch round cake board. You'll see why in a second. Just cleaning up my murder scene here. Trying to. Oh my god, red buttercream and hot water, yeah. This is the thanks I get for trying to teach you people something cool. Okay, so I have my 2-tier cake here. I also have my skull. So what I did is I took this skull, I bought this at the dollar store years ago, it's just styrofoam. So what I did is take my cake plate and I measured it and made sure that it was level from the top of the skull right to this little dowel here. So that's nice and flush. So that when I do put my cake on top of it, it'll sit nice and flush. So, let's see if this works, y'all. I'm gonna put that right about here. And I'm gonna grab my other tier. Now this is going to be fun. So where's my front? I think that's my front. You can fix up these sides later. Absolutely loving this. I'm gonna stick this whole structure into the fridge for a good half hour, let it really harden up, and then we're gonna come back and we're gonna start decorating. Let's do it! So I just took this out of the fridge, and whilst it was drying, it actually got this really creepy texture on it where there's some dark places. Love it. I'm going with it. Let's do it. So I have my airbrush gun here with some black airbrush. I also cut out 4 little baby skulls out of some cardboard. I'm just gonna stick them on the bottom of each tiers, and I'm just going to go ahead and airbrush some black. Let's do it! Let's go in and start airbrushing. So now you're gingerly going to take off your skulls, and you should be left with the skull. Isn't it cute? Isn't that cute? So now I'm gonna go right ahead and do that to the bottom of all the tiers. Yes! Love it! Next, I just melted down some chocolate in the microwave. And I have a disposable piping bag here. And we are just going to do a drip all the way around all of the tiers. It's gonna be fabulous. Simply fabulous. Just snipping the tip. Oh, this one's hard. It's too tall. So next I have a couple things to add to it as the final decoration. It is a skeleton wedding cake, so you need a skeleton topper. Look at that, aren't they so cute? Anyway, I'm gonna put that on the top. I also have a little spider web and a big spider here, just bought at the dollar store. So I decided I wanted to light this bitch on fire. Let's do it. Here is the perfect wedding cake for any skeleton couple. Thank you so much for watching. If you like what you saw, click that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that bell notification for new epic Halloween videos right up till Halloween. Thank you all so much for watching. Thank you to Mariposa Market for sponsoring this video, and I will see all of y'all next week. Mwah! Don't forget to tune in to The Big Bake on the Food Network Canada, Mondays at 10 p.m. Scaling, so you need a skeleton.